we are looking at a lot of 5 books that pertain to Native Americans and the Board of Indian Commissioners annual reports. We have 4 of them right here. These are issued by the U.S. government, and they're, as they say, published once a year, filled with a remarkable amount of commentary on the various tribal nations and things such as missionary activities, visitations to the reservations. Here's a report of a visit to Colorado, for instance. All these types of medicines. It's really a remarkable accounting of, here's woolen goods, cotton goods. It's really, the amount of information here is really fascinating. Yeah, it's almost, you could just stop and start reading these letters that, sometimes there's letters from Indian tribal leaders, etc. And the other book that goes with this lot is this massive, monumental annual report of the Smithsonian Institution. They specialized in publishing works like this. This particular one is of real note for us because it deals extensively with studies in textile art without machinery. This is by the curator of the Division of Ethnology. And so this is all about primarily basketry. And what's remarkable is that there are 248 plates and 212 illustrations, and they look sort of like this right here. We see this. They include color lithographed plates as well, like this. These are not the basketry plates, however. Those come right here. It's just this profusion of plates like this. And there are some color ones in here as well. Yes, if you like basketry, this is a gold mine of information. Here are some basket makers themselves at work. There's one in the process. Here's another color lithographed plate, color lithographed plate, color lithographed. They're all throughout here, color lithographed. Yes, it's hard to fathom the amount of information that was and time spent. Look at this. It's really something. It's wonderful. It's a monograph like there's, and the ones at the front that we saw first up here are, I guess, evidently the types of plants and branches and so on that baskets are made from. And then throughout the text, there's illustrations as well. And it goes on like so. And then in the back, we get even more plates. And here's a section on primitive food of the Klamath Indians. And here's some more plates back here. Yep, there they are, excavating seeds. Look at this. Yep, with an extensive detailed index at the rear. Yeah. So this lot of 5 government and Smithsonian publications relating to Native Americans is available as a lot online from me, Brian DeMambro.